Hi friends, first of all welcome to our channel Benny Jenny's Creative World. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഞങ്ങളുടെ ചാനലിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. എല്ലാവർക്കും വണക്കം. Today we are going to see a beautiful plant which we are seeing in the video. It's called purple heart and it's a very easy plant to grow, and it can be kept in indoor and outdoor. And the botanical name is Transcandia pallida, and the origin of this plant is from Gulf Coast of eastern Mexico, and a bright purple flowering appears at the end of the stem in summer and autumn. It works well as ground cover, also very good in hanging basket. Water young plants regularly, and when it becomes little bit bigger, then when the soil is becoming dry, you can water it. And how to propagate it? Propagation is like very easy. We can cut the stem and we can propagate it. If you want this plant to see very bushy, then pinch off the tip of the stem to create a bushier plant. Repeat whenever the plant looks like leggy. Then you can, after flowering, you can cut the stem about half their height. It helps the plant to grow healthy, vibrant. Let's see about the fertilizing. You can use a general fertilizer, common fertilizers. Also you can use organic fertilizers like cow dung and all. You can mix it well with the soil and you can use. If you have a liquid fertilizer for all the house indoor plants, then you can use that one, like 1 ml, mix in 1 liter of water, and you can use as same as what we use for other plants. And for the potting soil, we can use sand, coco peat, and like compost. Garden soil, sand, coco peat, and compost. Take it 3:1 ratio and use it. Apply the fertilizers once in a month. It will be enough. Even this plant can grow without fertilizers also, but some organic fertilizers, whatever very easily we can get from our home, no, that things you can use it. Then whenever we use liquid fertilizers, what we have to do is, like, first we have to wet the soil, then you have to pour the liquid fertilizer. Otherwise what will happen is, like, if you directly apply it on the soil, then root burn can be caused. I have got this plant from one of my family friend, and she is a very good gardener, and I got it from her. And then you can get this plant very easily everywhere, and also in the nursery. It's not it is not too costly in the nursery. You can get it in your local nursery. You can get it from some like 50 to 100 rupees. You can get it a small plant. It's a very nice and beautiful plant. Everyone should try it in your house. I think it's all for today. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe our channel to support us. Thank you so much once again to all the viewers for your support. Thank you.